Take a ride in the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.